guys, Namaskaram, Vanakkam, Vandanam. This is Shobana Viramani. Welcome to my channel.
नहीं, ना हम बनाते हैं घर पे ना ही खाते हैं। कत्रिकावा, शिवा 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 शिवा। पिछले साल मैं काशी गया। प्रभु की अनुकंपा अपरंपार है कि एक मोड़ आया, मैं बैंगन उत्थे छोड़ आया। हे प्रभु, आखिर क्या है ब्रिंजॉल का राज? It's after all a vegetable. Why many people don't eat it? And why is it banned in many homes?
We are not against Bengan ka Barta, but what does yogic science and Ayurveda have to say on brinjals? If you like to know more on yogic science, stay with me till end of this video. To support my work, please like this content and subscribe to this channel and get notified whenever there is a new content to this channel. Do not forget to click on this bell icon that can keep you notified. And please continue to share this content with as many people as you can, because the time has come to know why are we doing what are we doing. In my previous episode, we did discuss about the non-pranic food like chili and why black pepper is far more better than green or red chili. In this episode, we will discuss on the secrets of brinjal. Legends say this is the most dangerous negative pranic food. I had this question in my mind for so long years. Like, some of my friends never ever had brinjal in their lifetime. They don't cook brinjal at home, they don't buy brinjals from the market, they don't even eat brinjal if they go out. No recipes of brinjal. I wondered, but why? It is after all a good vegetable. It's a popular vegetable even though, but why? Oof, I finally got my answer in yoga. Yogic science says brinjal is one such vegetable that causes a lot of harm to the human mind and its intelligence than any good. Let's know from Sadhguru himself.
So, this is the only other vegetable which actually has some poison in it. There is a certain chemical called cheratin in the brinjal which damages your hypothalamus. You know what's hypothalamus? The rear part of your brain which plays an important role in your decision making and who you are right now. It is not that if you eat one brinjal or one eggplant, your brains will cease. If it was so, by now there was no problem at all, isn't it? It is just that the problem with the negative pranic food is just this: the damage happens slowly and it tastes good. If you eat one garlic, you will fall dead. Do I have to tell you, don't eat it? You won't touch it anyway. Or it tastes very bitter, you won't touch it. Now it tastes good and the damage happens slowly. Next 5 years, every day if you eat eggplant, I will assure you, you will be definitely a far duller person than what you are right now, for sure. Especially if you have growing children in your family, brinjal should be banished, eggplant should be banished, otherwise you will sabotage their intelligence before they grow up.
So what did we learn? Basically, brinjal is low poison. It can in turn, it affects the decision-making capacities and the personality gets very dull and it makes us very insensitive to the life around. Brinjal damages the brain cells slowly but steadily. I am not crazy enough to try anything with brinjal. We have enough proof to know and to understand that it is harmful and creates a barrier for the blossoming mind. I said goodbye to brinjal long time ago. Well, if you think you're going to miss Bengan ka Bharta, let me tell you, we have alternatives. You can use the same recipe including bottle gourd. It can make it even more tastier. You may not know, do try them out. If this video makes any value to you, please ban the brinjal from your kitchen, especially if you have kids at your home. Making this video and reaching you guys makes a huge difference for me because I have come alive, so you do too. Namaskaram.